Hello friends, welcome to my video. So in the last video I have showed you about the Altec Cleansing Acoustic AL3004A, the unboxing video and the sound test also. So today I will show you about the Bluetooth connectivity, and again I will show you the sound test with the different type of songs. So in the last video I have showed you like with the one English video that has the high bass quality, but today's video I will add the high bass songs also, and the very low melody songs also. So let's start. So first I will show you how to connect with the Bluetooth. So I have my laptop on in the left side, as you can see here. So I already connected with previously I connected this Altec Cleansing with my laptop. So now I just disconnected it. So I will show you step by step. So first you have to turn on this. Whenever you will switch on the main switch, whenever you will on, then you have to press this power on button here. Then to switch into the Bluetooth mode, you have to click here, input. So you have to click input. Now you can see here it's showing like blue for Bluetooth. So now here in your PC or in your mobile phone, you have to turn on your Bluetooth, and you have to, if you are using PC or laptop, you have to add your Bluetooth device here. The name will be Acoustic AL-3004A. You have to be paired. Once you are paired, it will show here. And sometimes what I discovered, once I paired, still I was not able to play the songs in here. So that's why I changed the settings in a speaker. So here in the left side, left side of the screen, if you can see, you have to open sounds. You have to go to playback, and here you can see, here is showing in the first option Acoustic AL3004A stereo. So now I'm connected with, so now it's connected with the only speaker, which is my laptop default speaker. So to play in that sound system, you have to connect with this. Right tick, connect. Now it's connect. So click on OK. Yes, it's successfully connected. So I have not faced any kind of problem with the Bluetooth. It works very fine for me. So you can also test that. Now I will play the songs. Let me play first the high bass songs. This is the High Hope. The song name is High Hopes. So guys, you can see in my laptop the sound level is 88, and here I put only 10. It can go up to 30. So in 10 only it has a huge sound. So I will skip the some part of the song, and I will bring on the bass part. Let me play again. We wanted everything, So guys, you can see with the bass also it sounds very clear, no hassle sound, no extra sound. The bass is also very good and ear soothing also. I am playing in the media player, in the default media player. I have changed some settings here. I will show you. When you are connected with the mobile phone, you don't need to change the setting. The bass will be awesome. So in the media player, I click on right, then here enhancement graphic equalizer. So I have changed some settings here. I have manually put that some settings. So you can put that, you can change that based on your requirement. So this is the one song. Later let me play any Hindi song. Let me play any of the Hindi song. Let me play Abija Sanam. This was the normal bass and normal melody song. So we can try this one.
सनम यूं ना कर सितम तेरी बाहों में भी जा सनम यूं ना कर सितम तेरी बाहों में मर मिटेंगे हम भी जा सनम यूं ना कर सितम तेरी बाहों में मर मिटेंगे
So guys, you can see with the normal melody songs also the bass and the voice blends so well, and the sound has amazing quality. The sound system has amazing sound quality, so not bad at all. I have ordered, it's now almost 2 week, so I'm really happy. I have not faced any kind of single problem. So this is the one low medium bass song. Let me play one Bengali song, Rabindranath Tagore song. So this will have the very low bass. So let me play that one because in that song we can test that how much treble quality and the sound quality we can reach. After that, I will show you. I will play one song in the YouTube also, and I will show you how it sounds. Yeah, I found it. Let me play this one. It has a very low bass song, so we can test. Every melody we can hear.
আমি চিনি গো চিনি তোমারে ও গো বিদেশিনী তুমি থাকো সিন্ধু পারে ও গো বিদেশিনী আমি চিনি গো চিনি তোমারে হাতে তোমায় দেখেছি দিদি মাঝারে ও গো বিদেশিনী।
So guys, you can see with the voice also and the bass makes so well, and it gives the ear soothing effect. Let me play another Bengali song. It's quite famous from the movie Kahani. This is Ekla Cholo. Let me skip some of the part.
একলা চলো রে
So guys, as you can see, with the low bass songs also, it sounds so well. No extra sound, nothing. The crystal clear sound. Let me play again.
যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়ে সবাই করে ভয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়ে সবাই করে ভয় তবে পরাণ খুলে তবে পরাণ খুলে তুই মুখ
So one point, like guys, I'm here I have put the sound on 10 only. The level is sound is 10, so I can increase up to 30. So let me increase up to 30, so we can test that also, there whether the sound is getting cracked or not.
ফুটে তো মনের কথা একলা বলো রে কতই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
So guys, you can see here also I have increased the sound up to 30, which is the full sound of the sound system, and in that also the sound is totally clear, no extra sound, nothing, no interruption. So next step is, let me play one song in YouTube, then we can see that also. I am playing in a random song. Let me play a very famous song, Ganda Fool from Badshah. So we can test that also, how it sounds if we play any song in the browser. So this is the latest song by Badshah. Let me skip the ad.
चले जब तू लटक मटक लौंडों के दिल पटक पटक सांसें जाए अटक अटक आता माझी सटक सटक बम तेरा गुते खाए कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे खाने में बस तू बटर खाए कम ऑन बेबी टिकट टिकट काटू तेरी टिकट टिकट खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट विकेट पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट विकेट
বড় লোকের পিটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা
Wind the body
বড় লোকের পিটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা
wind
ফুল
the body wind the body सावला सा रंग
So guys, you can see, you can listen that without the bass and with bass also, the sound is so smooth. So no problem at all. If you are planning to purchase this one, I will totally 100% I will recommend to buy this one, because after digging a lot I found this one useful for the home, for the daily use, because I am a song lover, so I play different kind of songs, Hindi, Bengali, English, and any kind of songs. So you can go for it. So guys, if you need any more information about this model, Altec Cleansing AL3004A, you can comment down below, so I can make another video. Or if you like this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up, and you can share this video with your friends and family, so that they can also see the benefit of this sound system. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye bye guys.